This is going to be a video tutorial on how to start page numbers on the second page of a Word document. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now, and I have a little example project that I'm working on here. Say that I wanted to use page numbering on my document here, but my cover page, I didn't want the numbering to start on my cover page. What I wanted the numbering to start on was the second page, and I wanted the second page to start off with number 1, and then the third page would be number 2. The way to do that, first thing you want to do is go up to the top up here. You want to click on the Insert tab. Make sure you're on the Insert tab. Then on the ribbon, you want to go down to the right side to where the header and footer area is, and right here is page number. Click on page number. Then you can choose whether you want your numbering to be on top of the page, bottom of the page, page margin, current position. I'm going to go with bottom of the page. I'm going to go off to the right side now. Now, do you want the page numbering to be on the bottom left side, the bottom center, or the bottom right side? I'm going to go with the bottom right side. Now you can see on my document here, the cover page starts with 1, the second page starts with 2, then 3, and so on. But I want the second page to start with number 1. The way to do that, you want to still have your footer area selected, as you see mine is. You want to go up to the top up here. You want to make sure you're on the header and footer tab. And then right down here in the options area, different first page. You want to check that box there. Then you'll go down to the bottom over here on the ribbon to where it says page number. Click on page number. Go down to where it says format page numbers. And then the little dialog box that opens up. Down here where it says page numbering, you want to toggle on the bottom one, start at, and you want to put the number 0 in there, because that tells Word that your first page is 0 and to start the second page with page number 1. Click on OK. And now, as you can see my document here, my second page starts with 1, the third page is 2, and so on. 3, 4, and my first page has no page numbering on it. That is how to start your page numbering on the second page on a Word document. Thanks for watching.